Wait, hold up. Let's just scope the place out. Do you see the park rangers anywhere? There he is. Wait, really? No, just kidding. So, like, we're planning to do this drift trikes versus Fremont video for such a long time. We're all excited about it. And then we get here and Fetty's like, no, there's too many people. I'm like, dude, you're the trike king. Oh, yeah, that is a hot rod. How fast do you think we'll get kicked out? I say 2 minutes.
You just burn your hands?
Dude, literally, like, hold on to that with a good hand and just feel how hot that is. Okay. Hold it hard.
Ow,
I'm sensing
no,
the burn.
Yeah, that's hot.
Pretty much, we don't have much time before the park rangers come back and kick us out with these bikes. So we need to get as much content as we can. Drift trikes versus Fremont Skate Park. Fetty versus Daniel. Let's go.
Oh, this is actually good because this is the one with quiet wheels.
So quiet, I can only hear it from about 5 miles away.
Dude, this thing's falling apart.
Our stuff's literally falling apart at the seams at this point. Very nonchalantly following behind because he's embarrassed. I'm so mad at Fetty right now. God, like, come on, man. It's like you got nothing to be embarrassed about right now. This is his element.
What is going on?
Fetty, stop looking so sad. Just get on the bike. All right, Rochambeau. The one time I don't pick rock. You can do anything your heart desires.
Why are you so tall? I keep cutting your head out of the frame.
Because
I can't get you and him at the same time.
Because I'm just gonna 180 drift on the big thing.
This is what I'm talking about right here. I love how the park ranger came up to us later telling us about a freaking scooter party coming tomorrow.
Yeah.
Now he's like, I will never let that happen. And here we are, an hour later with our drift trikes.
Don't tell him, he watches the video.
Don't, oh. I didn't hear that. What are you talking about?
full send.
That was good. I don't have the ref shirt today. I think it would draw too much attention. This hat draws nearly the same amount of attention. Whoa! You literally would have not been able to walk for a good 7 years.
I'm gonna 180 and go down.
No!
Wait.
No! This is what I was hoping for. I thought this would be the ender. Oh no! Oh no! No, that doesn't count. But props for the full send. That was incredible.
Try to grind that little ramp ledge right there.
Just rode away.
Well, if you were intending to do a rock to fakie, that would count. But that's not the trick. Fetty, you go.
I'm gonna grind the top part of that box. Like not the box, but the top part.
Wow. Oh, hey, look at this.
What is this? No trikes at the skate park. I'm calling the ranger.
You're like fully on your side riding it.
I was trying to full send. Come on, Daniel, we don't got all day.
I know.
The rangers are coming.
I might try to hit the same bank that I hit last time, except I'm gonna get up and grind.
I'm gonna try and grind the actual ledge part using the
Here's
ramp.
what I'm thinking. We see the park ranger, whoever's on the bike, just book it. Just bike away as fast as you can and we'll find you later at a better time. Oh my god! You almost died.
I had a slight heart attack.
Okay, grind the flat bar.
Alright, I'm gonna try and drift 180 off the right side of this ramp and land on the bank.
I'm sorry my neck.
I'm still learning the trick before park rangers scale.
Give it to him. Give it to him. It was okay. Not as good, but
Try to manual that box.
the thing I've learned about these games in Fetty is just to not ask.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
I hate the sun.
You're good. Yeah, I'll roll into that.
Okay, it was nice knowing him.
We're actually missing.
Oh.
I'm calling it that he's not gonna land this.
I'm gonna air the hip on the stake run.
You got a little bit of air.
It was literally that much, but it was good. It was cool. I wouldn't do it. We've never had to worry about actual skateboarders interfering with our drift triking sessions, jerks.
I'm gonna
think this is-
drift down the Big slide sideways and go land fakie.
You're gonna like power slide to fakie?
Yeah.
Do you think a lot of skaters are gonna watch this video and be mad, Daniel?
Some of them, yeah.
He nailed that.
But look, you got Troy. He's on an actual.
Exactly.
He's on an actual skateboard.
Oh yeah, one of these. These are old school.
What is that?
What is? Yeah, seriously. Can I
Yeah.
see this?
Yeah. So
Did you make this yourself?
no, it actually a long time ago, about 100 years ago, there was a company called Revive that printed this board for this dude named Aaron Kyro.
Wow.
Yeah, he was a professional skateboarder from the Bay Area.
What
From the
100
San
years ago.
Francisco Bay
him
Area? Oh
Yeah.
god.
Yeah. What happened to that Kyro man?
I don't know. Legend has
Seen
it.
in about 75 to 900 years.
Wow.
Yeah, he's out there somewhere.
Watch out, everybody. I'm sorry.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Fetty waits for no one.
Just that execution is just wonderful. Hector almost snaked us, man. That was really good.
We might not be the only ones in trouble. I see scooters.
Oh yes, I think he'll go for the scooters first. That was perfect. We've made a discovery. We're so happy you're back. Oh God. Been missing for 100 years. Did you see me juke that kid?
I'm gonna get the 50-50.
Like
You
the
know,
Rangers
this is
being
actually
close.
one of the tricks I really want to see done right now.
This one?
Yeah. His foot was on the ground for too long.
Wait, what are you?
Oh my God! Wait, Fetty!
He doesn't wait.
You got less talk and more pay attention. This whole bike is broken, Razor. I want you to know. We need new ones.
Just gonna sit right here, root you on from the side.
It was nice knowing you, Daniel. You've been a good employee.
I'm sort of hoping the park ranger comes and kicks us out soon because it's not looking like anyone is gonna get a letter.
No letters?
No letters.
Are you freaking kidding me?
I'm not
What is
kidding.
wrong with you mutants?
I'm gonna grind and drop in.
No.
Yes.
Wait, what?
No.
Yes. Fetty's kidneys in full-fledged force. Next time, Fetty, next time.
Scroll it out! Scroll it out! Scroll it out has been completely replaced with just lay it out, man.
I'm gonna count it.
There you go, same thing.
He erred. He erred.
What is wrong with him?
He did a front side.
Think he's got it?
No, because it took Fetty 3 tries.
I'm gonna rock the fakie that.
Maybe we should call this video Fetty and Daniel Die on Drift Trikes at Fremont.
Oh my God!
Fetty, are you okay?
Yeah, that's gonna be a no for me, boss.
Oh no.
What's the back?
You legit almost landed on your head.
How'd that feel?
You know, you gotta do whatever you gotta do for that win.
See? We skateboard too.
I'm gonna rock the fakie that side.
I'm really scared for Fetty on this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, last try for that.
You better get this.
The decision is that whoever is in the lead when the park ranger comes wins. Perfect. And by default, since it took him about 7 tries, I guess Fetty's not going to land this either, and then it'll be tied, and then if the ranger comes, kicks him out, then they're tied, and then I just... What happens? Completely pathetic. What is wrong with you?
Full send. Back to the big bowl.
Rock to fakie?
Nope. I'm gonna roll down this, grinding, and go in.
That was the sketchiest thing
Oh
I've
my
seen.
God! I thought he was gonna die. He actually landed really smooth.
Ow!
Oh, that's actually
On my
like-
foot!
That's broken off completely.
I know. It's been like that the whole time.
Oh, I thought that was okay.
What did you even do right here?
You just keep pedaling.
What?
Pedal.
Wait, what? Come on, let's get this in.
Pedal, pedal.
Hey, they're here.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Different guys. It's different guys.
Oh no, we
That's
don't know
not our
those guys.
friends.
We don't know those guys. What do we do?
They don't know where we have a bike in there.
What's a drift bike?
Uh-oh. See, we were hoping that when they came, we'd be in a position to bike away as fast as we could, but
Now the bike's at the bottom
At
of
the bottom of the bowl.
Let's walk away. Walk away.
trike.
Abandon the trikes.
you got it.
Hey, you think I can make a getaway?
Where are you gonna go?
I waited for a minute to see if you guys can get the shot.
Well, he didn't get it. I landed it.
He got the shot, but we only needed one.
I got the shot. All right.
No, you can't.
Nah, I can't let you know. Right on. Well, you guys got a good shot.
Yep.
That's all that matters.
Well, you lose, Daniel.
Wow, you got a win on technicality. They don't even give me one more try.
If you were on Tia, I would push for one more try, but
I think this game's inconclusive.
Inconclusive?
Inconclusive?
Yes.
I don't know, man.
We'll have to find a different park.
I sort of agree with that, but at the
You know,
same
deep
time,
down-
the trick he beat you with, though.
Deep down,
you
know
weren't gonna
it's
send that.
inconclusive.
You weren't gonna send that, though.
I would send that, but also we had more letters.
It's debatable.
Well, good game.
It's inconclusive.
3 times.
Shake hands at least.
Inconclusive.
Inconclusive victory. That was the worst case scenario, damn it. We were supposed to bike into the sunset and run away from them, but no. They told us that since we got our shot, it was time to go. In that case, time to end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That was a lot of fun. Drift trikes at Fremont Skate Park. Maybe we should do a whole series where we take the drift trikes to different skate parks.
Yes.
I really enjoy that
Ones
idea.
without park rangers.
One without park rangers. I know. I mean, they do their job well, but almost too well.
Props for letting us at least, like, you know, get the trick. They
Yeah.
were probably watching us on the camera the whole time.
Is there a camera?
There's cameras all over. That's how they know.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, fork.
We're under
Oh,
surveillance.
I
My
was guessing
entire-
that they could smell us, but that makes
No, they probably smelled us too, but that's how they got the idea to look at the security
They
cams,
smelled
because they were
first.
like,
Yeah.
bike! And then they checked the cameras, they're like, drift bike.
They're like, oh, at least it's the Braille guys. We couldn't take
They
a break.
gave us the benefit of the doubt. So we appreciate that, Fremont, City of Fremont and the Fremont Skate Park. Thank you so much. Yeah, Razor, that thing is in the dumps and it's
toast.
still holding up. So thank you for making a reliable product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out Fetty and Uzi Daniel on Instagram. Link will be in the description below. And if you want to click right here, you can check out Fetty versus Aaron Drift Trike, a game of skate. Isn't that right, Aaron?
It's about time somebody kicked you guys out. I was trying to do some actual skateboarding at the skateboard park, and you're here riding the bike.
Can you imagine how long that would last not doing what we're doing?
Oh, it would never break.
It would never break.
Never break.
Yeah.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. We will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. Bye.